These self-watering pots are a great option for anyone who loves indoor plants but may not have a green thumb. Hi, I'm Saba. The brand sent me these pots so I can show you how these work. These pots come in a pack of 3 with sizes of 10, 9, and 8 inches, so you can choose the perfect size for your plant. The pots are designed with a deep reservoir at the bottom, which helps to keep the plants hydrated without you having to water them constantly. All you have to do is fill the reservoir with water, and the plants will take up the water as needed. This feature is beneficial for people who tend to forget to water their plants or for those who are frequently away from home. I'm pretty guilty of that. You simply attach the bottom reservoir to the pot and turn it so it doesn't fall out. The cotton rope on the bottom helps keep the soil moist. And just by doing this, you can travel and forget about your plants for 7 to 10 days. Another great feature of these pots is their high drainage holes, which allows excess water to drain out of the bottom. This helps to prevent overwatering and root rot, which can be a common problem with indoor plants, I find. These self-watering pots can be used for both indoor and outdoor plants and flowers, and they come in a sleek modern design that will complement any home. We plan to keep 1 indoors and 2 outside. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your indoor plants healthy and thriving, these self-watering plants are worth checking out, and there's a variety of colors you can choose from.